You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word. In English, British English and American English pronunciations are similar, although there are two slightly different ways of pronouncing it, as deny with a short E sound, deny. Deny. Some may pronounce it with a schwa sound as the first syllable, an sound, deny, which is similar. The stress is always on the nigh syllable, deny or deny. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.